Hello, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain the different browsers which are supported by Selenium automation tool. So what are the different browsers which are supported? Okay, what are the different browsers which are supported by Selenium test automation tool? What are they? First one is Chrome browser. Then second one is Firefox browser. Third one is Edge browser. Then we have Opera browser. Then we have Internet Explorer browser. And the last one we have is Safari browser. These are the list of the browsers which are supported by Selenium test automation tool. Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, Internet Explorer, and Safari. So, can I confirm this? That these are the list of browsers which are supported by Selenium test automation tool. How can I confirm? To confirm that, I can take you to the official website of Selenium. What is the official website of Selenium? Selenium.dev. If you go to this official website of Selenium, which I covered in the previous session, and once you landed on this official website, click on the downloads. In the downloads page, scroll down until you see something known as browsers. Now expand this, click on this plus option on this browsers button. You can see the list of browsers which are supported by Selenium automation tool. As I mentioned, Chrome browser, Firefox browser, Edge browser, Opera browser, Internet Explorer browser, and Safari browser. Okay, these are the 6 browsers which are supported by Selenium test automation tool. Okay, so what do I mean by support? What do I mean by support? Here I am saying these are the list of browsers which are supported by Selenium test automation tool. But what do I mean by support? Support means you can run your Selenium automation scripts on these browsers. Okay? Support means you can run your Selenium automation scripts on these different browsers. You can run your automation scripts on Chrome browser. You can run the Selenium automation scripts on Firefox browser. You can run the Selenium automation scripts using Edge browser. You can run the Selenium automation scripts using Opera browser. You can run the Selenium automation scripts using Internet Explorer browser. And also you can run the Selenium automation scripts using Safari browser. This is what I mean. Let me give a small demo of this. Okay. Where I'm going to demonstrate how can we run the Selenium automation scripts on the supported browsers. Okay. So this is demo guys. Don't go into don't go too deep here in this. You may see some code. Don't try to crack the code. Watch it like an audience in the movie theater. Don't act like a director in this case. It is just a demo to prove that Selenium automation tool supports this browsers. Okay. So here is some sample automation code of Selenium guys. Okay. So if I run this code, if I run this particular code, this automation code of Selenium written using Selenium automation will be running on Chrome browser. You see, the automation is running on which browser? Chrome browser. Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Selenium is running, okay? Selenium is running your automation scripts on which browser? This is a Chrome browser. Similarly, that means Selenium supports Chrome browser. Now, next activity. Don't try to understand what this code is all about. I'm going to cover this code in the upcoming sessions. At this point of time, I only want to demonstrate and prove my point that Selenium supports this list of browsers. I already demonstrated that Selenium supports Chrome browser by running the Selenium automation code on the Chrome browser. I already proved it. Now I'm going to prove that we can also run the Selenium automation scripts on Firefox browser to prove that Selenium supports which browser? Firefox browser. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how Selenium supports Firefox browser. Just give me a second. Okay, let me run this code. This time, Selenium will run on which browser? Selenium automation scripts will run on Firefox browser. You see, I'm running the code and you can see that automatically the Firefox browser got launched. This is nothing but the Firefox browser, guys. You can go here and find it out. It's a Firefox help. That means it's a Firefox. The automation code has run in the Firefox browser. Similarly, I can run the Selenium automation code in on Edge browser also. Okay, let me show you that. I'm going to run the Selenium automation code in Edge browser. This browser, Selenium test automation tool, supports Edge browser. You see, now the same Selenium automation code is now running on Microsoft Edge, is being controlled by automated test out. This proves that. Okay. So like this, Selenium test automation tool supports all these six browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, Internet Explorer, Safari. Okay, already demonstrated how Selenium automation tool supports these three browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, as part of this demo. Now we have other three browsers left out, that is Opera, Internet Explorer, and Safari browser, right? These are the other three browsers that are left out. Okay, I can demonstrate that. Okay, so the next item I would like to demonstrate here is Internet Explorer, guys. Okay, Internet Explorer. Does Selenium test automation tool support Internet Explorer browser? Internet Explorer browser, is it supported by Selenium test automation tool? The answer is yes, right? But the problem here is it's already deprecated. Okay? This particular browser no more exists in the market. You see, my machine is Windows 11 machine. Here, if I search for Internet Explorer, you see, I'm not getting, you see, I'm getting Microsoft Edge, but I'm not getting the Internet Explorer option because IE browser is already deprecated. Microsoft IE browser is already deprecated in the market, guys. If I go and search Internet, Internet Explorer browser, okay, is already retired. That means deprecated. Okay, Internet Explorer is retired. That means already outdated or deprecated, guys. It's officially discontinued and replaced by which browser? Edge browser. Microsoft company is the company behind this IE browser. And nowadays we don't have this because it's already retired or discontinued by Microsoft company. Instead, Microsoft company is asking you to use Edge browser. Okay, Microsoft company is asking you guys to use which browser? Edge browser in place of the IE browser. So it doesn't exist in the market. Okay, it doesn't exist in the market. So in that case, even though Selenium test automation tool supports Internet Explorer browser, is it possible for us to run the automation scripts on the IE browser? The answer is no, right? Because it's already deprecated by the Microsoft company. So how can we run our Selenium automation scripts on IE browser like we have run the scripts on Chrome, Firefox, and it won't be possible. But there is a catch. That is, in Edge browser itself, okay, when you run the scripts using Selenium, to run on IE browser, it actually opens Edge browser instead of the IE browser. But this particular Edge browser will be opened in which mode? IE mode. Okay. Though we cannot run our Selenium automation scripts directly on the IE browser, but in Edge browser, okay, we can run the Selenium automation scripts in IE mode. So how to do that? I'm going to show you. So here I'm going to demonstrate. Don't worry about this particular code that I'm writing here, guys. You should not worry about this code. I told you, right? This is a demo only. Use it for demo. In upcoming sessions, you will get clarity of all this code that I have written here. Okay. For now, just to prove my point that Selenium supports IE browser, I'm writing this. Okay. But you don't have to write this code. You don't have to work on this. Just try to understand, guys. Okay. Just only concept you try to understand. Okay. Now I'm running the script. I would like to run the script on IE browser, but instead of the IE browser, which browser will launch? Edge browser will launch. You see, in which browser the application has been launched using the Selenium automation code? In the Edge browser. This is Edge browser case. Okay, if I click on this and say help and feedback, you see, this is Microsoft Edge browser. But this Edge browser is open in which mode? Internet Explorer mode. You can see here some icon is coming. IE mode. Internet Explorer mode is coming. Okay. So that's what I mean to say, guys. Okay. So Selenium automation or Selenium test automation tool supports IE browser, but since Microsoft has already deprecated the IE browser, But if you still try to run the Selenium automation code on the IE browser, it will launch the Edge browser in IE mode. Okay, that's what you need to understand, or you should have the idea about. Okay. Don't go too deep into this technical stuff, guys. It's only for demonstration purpose. You'll get full clarity of this automation code in the upcoming sessions. Okay. For now, only demo purpose, I am using that code. Okay. Because I have not covered anything or not explained you anything about the Selenium library and all those stuff. A lot of technical stuff I need to cover before going there. Okay. So watch it like a demo only. And I'm using it only to prove my point that Selenium test automation tool supports Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and IE browser so far. What about the Opera and Safari browser? The next browser is Opera browser, guys. What about Opera browser? Opera browser, Selenium test automation tool, the older versions of the Selenium test automation tool used to support the Opera browser, but the latest version of Selenium test automation tool, okay, the latest version of Selenium test automation tool doesn't support it. So I cannot clearly say that Selenium test automation tool cannot support Opera browser. It supports only in older versions. Okay, older versions of Selenium test automation tool still supports the Opera browser. So we cannot say that, just because the latest version of Selenium doesn't support Opera browser, I cannot remove this from the list, because still the older versions of Selenium test automation tool supports it. I cannot demonstrate here. Okay. I cannot demonstrate that code here, but if you are using an older version of Selenium test automation tool, we can run the scripts on Opera browser. Okay, that's what I can say for now. That's why this particular browser is there in the supported list of Selenium test automation tool. Fine. So this icon, you can see here, right? This is nothing but the Opera browser, guys. If you want to run the Selenium test automation scripts on this kind of Opera browser, you need to use the older version of Selenium. With the latest versions, support is gone. Okay. Latest version of Selenium doesn't support the Opera browser. We cannot run the scripts on Opera browser using the latest version of Selenium test automation tool, in simple words. The last browser is Safari browser. The next browser here we have is a Safari browser. Can I demonstrate this Safari browser for you? The answer is no. Why? Because I'm using which machine? Windows 11 machine. In Windows machine, can I have Safari browser? Not possible. Have to use have to use Mac machine, guys. Okay. Have to use which machine? Mac machine. In Mac machine, we get the Safari browser. Okay. Apple company Mac machine, Safari browser will be there. Safari browser won't be there in the Windows machine. Okay. If you are using Mac machine and all, you can write the code. For example, assume that for a while this is a Mac machine. In the Mac machine, you'll be writing like this. You don't have to remember this code, guys. I'm just saying. Okay. So like this. Okay, you don't have to go into these technical details, but in Mac machine, I'll be running this sort of code, and it will run in the Safari browser. Okay, but in Windows machine, I cannot demonstrate. Okay, but Selenium test automation tool supports Safari browser also. So now tell me, guys, what are the list of browsers which are supported by Selenium test automation tool? Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Microsoft Internet Explorer, and Safari browser. These are the list of browsers which are supported by the test automation tool. Since the latest version of Selenium doesn't support Opera, and since this machine is a Windows machine, and since Microsoft has already deprecated the IE browser in the market, in the upcoming sessions, I'll be mainly using these three browsers only, guys. For demonstrations, I'll be mainly using Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browsers only. Okay, throughout this course, I may be using either Chrome, Firefox, or Edge browsers out of the six browsers which are supported by Selenium test automation tool to run its automation scripts on these browsers. I'll be mainly using these three browsers only. Okay. Any of the browsers from these three browsers only I'll be using. I'll not be using the remaining three for demonstration in the upcoming sessions. Hope you got the clarity. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.